Folks, I wanted to talk today very briefly about what a good, robust financial system really entails. And this is coming off the back of some experience we've had recently, over the last couple of weeks actually, with new clients. And we're seeing a bit of an upward trend in this over the last sort of couple of months. And I do think it is related to the sort of lockdown and remote sort of home working situation that we've all been thrust into as a result of the pandemic. So we've got incoming inquiries from small businesses who are looking to move away from their desktop-based accounting system, and they're looking to use Xero. Both of the inquiries that we've had have come to us on the basis that Xero seems to be the way forward. It seems to have all the features that they need. But what the business owner is misinterpreting, I believe, at the outset, is that Xero will solve their problems, whereas that's not actually the case at all. And one of the first things we do at Cloud 360 Accounting is we actually assess your current financial systems and processes. Regardless if you're paper-based or you're using a desktop system or whatever the case may be, the software itself is only a tool, and we have to get underneath and behind all of that to see what are the processes that the business currently has to process all its financial data and to produce its reports and produce its numbers. Without that assessment being done at a fairly thorough level, the stage of moving from one system to another is fairly pointless. You need to really understand what this system, what the business currently does in relation to its sales and its purchases and expenses and its bank reconciliations and so on, and what kind of reports does the business want to get out of the system, and what kind of reports do we feel would be useful actually for the business as well. So we're getting under the hood of how things are currently being done, and we're also keeping the end in mind to see what kind of reports the business can get, so that we can make sure that the setup and implementation of Xero and the training that we give to the business owner and bookkeepers and finance people within the business is appropriate for their needs. And also our review will come back with a sort of what we call a business health check, and we will give them a set of recommendations as to things that they can improve in terms of their financial processes in order to make Xero and other apps like Receipt Bank work as efficiently and effectively as we know they can. So moving from one system to another is never going to solve your problems. Moving from desktop to cloud is not the answer to your problems. It's only part of the solution, which is why we like to get under the hood of a business, look at its systems and processes, and move forward from there. Interestingly enough, the two cases that we've been looking at, the current financial processes they have in place are purely related to customers and sales, and that's not unexpected. That's what most businesses focus on, but our aim then is to educate the business owner and their finance team that in actual fact you need to move everything onto the cloud platform that we're going to implement. So it's going to be your purchases and supplier accounts, it's going to be your bank reconciliation and using the bank feed technology, it's going to be using all of that data in a way which gives you meaningful reports. So if you're sort of stuck in a situation where you know you're only getting part of the story about your business, or if you believe that there has to be easier and better ways of doing things, and if you want to adopt cloud technology, we've been doing this for 10 years, please contact us, give us a shout. More than happy to assess your business and check your processes and recommend how we can move you forward from there.